Ch1 matter in our surrounding. Introduction. All the things we see in this universe are made up of some material, which scientists named matter. Now, the question arises, what is matter? Matter. All the things in the universe which occupy space and has mass or volume is called matter. Example: the air we breathe, the food we eat. All living things as well as non-living things are called matter. Things which are not matter: love, affection, thoughts, smell, taste, etc. Key facts. In earlier times, scientists classified the matter in 5 parts. Air, water, fire, earth, sky. But modern scientists changed the classification of matter. They classified the matter on the basis of properties. Properties of matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Particles of matter have spaces between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter attract to each other. Activity 1. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Take 50 milliliters of water in a beaker and mark the level on it. Add some sugar or salt in it and dissolve completely with the help of spoon, and observe the level of water in the beaker. You observed that there is no change in the level of water in the beaker. Hence, it shows that matter is made up of tiny particles. It also shows that particles of matter have spaces between them. Activity 2. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Take 50 milliliters of water in a beaker and pour 1 drop of black ink in it. You see that the black ink spreads slowly in the whole water beaker. Hence, it shows that particles of matter are continuously moving. It also shows that particles of matter attract to each other. States of matter. There are 5 states of matter, namely: solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, plasma. Bose-Einstein condensate, Buck. Properties of solid state. It has fixed shape. It has fixed mass. They are rigid, don't change shape. They don't have effect of compressibility. They have distinct boundaries. The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles is maximum. The kinetic energy between the particles is at least. Example: wooden box, iron rod, etc. Properties of liquid state. It doesn't have fixed shape. It doesn't have fixed volume, depends on the shape of container. They are not rigid, can change the shape. They have the effect of compressibility. They don't have distinct boundaries. The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles is more. The kinetic energy between the particles is more. Example: water, milk, etc. Properties of gaseous state. It doesn't have fixed shape. It doesn't have fixed volume. They are not rigid, can change the shape. They have the effect of compressibility. They don't have distinct boundaries. The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles is at least. The kinetic energy between the particles is maximum. Example: LPG, CNG etc. Plasma. This state of matter is created when the temperature of any object, i.e. gaseous state, is increased at very high rate. Example: Sun. Bose-Einstein condensate, Buck. This state of matter is discovered by two scientists, namely, S. N. Bose, and Albert Einstein. This state of matter is created when the temperature of any object is approximately equal to 0. Thanks for watching.